Hi everybody. Today we're doing quartiles. Give me a yeehaw.
Yeehaw!
Yeehaw. All right, so here's the way that quartiles are going to work. So let's say we have a data set, and we can even take a data set that we worked with last night. I want to write these in order, okay, from least to greatest. Is everybody okay with that? Bless you. Okay, so let's go ahead and put these. Let's first get our data set. We have 23, 27, 25, 32, 31, 39, and 32. Okay, cool. Now, I said we have to go ahead and we have to put these in order. So we want to put this in order from least to greatest. All right? So what's the lowest? And help me out with this. So we have?
20.
No, there's a lower. There's 5.
20.
20.
23.
23.
27.
27.
31.
31.
32.
32. 32.
39.
Sorry, 32 and 39. Thanks so much, guys. All right. All right. So what I want to do now is let's go ahead and find these things. I need to find things like my upper extreme and my lower extreme. All right, handwriting. Okay. So my upper extreme and my lower extreme. So what's my highest number? What's my highest number? Yeah.
39.
39. And so I'm going to mark this, and this is going to be my upper extreme. I'm just going to put UE for upper extreme. All right. And then what's my lowest? What's my lower extreme? Yeah.
Oh, 5.
And 5. This is my lower extreme. Is everybody okay with this? Any questions about it? About how I find my upper and lower extreme? Now, upper and lower extreme are going to be really useful for when I find my range. Is everybody okay with that? Mm-hmm. Remember that your range is your upper extreme minus your lower extreme. Is everybody okay with this?
Yeah.
So in this case, it'd be 39 minus 5, which would give us,
34.
sorry, a little louder?
34.
It would give us 34, and 34 would be my range. Are you okay with that?
Yes.
Okay. Now another piece of information that I need is I need a median. I need a median. And I'm just trying to remember, what is a median? What is a median? Yeah.
The middle.
It's your middle number. It's the middle number. Okay? So remember, the way that we found medians before was that we crossed off our low and high numbers. Do you remember doing that?
Yes.
Okay, so if I did that, I'm going to run through this real quick. Here's a low, here's a high, here's a low, here's a high, here's a low, here's a high, and then I've got these two. So how do I find a median when I've got these two? Yes?
You add both of them and then divide by 2.
Okay, so I'd be adding 27 and 31. I'd be dividing by 2 to find what my median is. Can I have you do that, please? Please find the median of these two. Everybody cool? We are adding 27 and 31? Blah, blah. Yes?
Yep.
Okay, what does that give me?
29.
What? Oh, I see what you're saying. So, yeah. Okay, so I get 58. I get 58 divided by 2. Okay? Goes in 2 times, gives me a 4. 1 and 8 gives me a 9. Okay? So 29. So my median in this case is 29. Are you okay with that?
Yes.
All right. All right, so what did I say that my median was? What did I say my median was?
Your middle. Oh, 29.
29. I said that my median was 29. Okay? Now, sometimes it's helpful to know that it's kind of like in between the two. It's the center of the two. So if we just know the number that's in between 27 and 31, we can be like, oh, they're both 2 away from 29. Is that making any sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, check this out. To do quartiles, because that's what our little lesson is on today, of finding quartiles, this is what we do. I go ahead and I break this apart according to the median. So I get everything on the left of the median. Then I get everything on the right of the median. Yes?
And then what if you find the median of the two sides?
Did everybody catch what that was? I find the median of the two sides. Not the average of the two sides, but the...
Split it in half.
I split it in half according to the median. on either side of the median. All right, so my median is 29. You okay with that?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, and so I'm breaking it apart on the two sides of the median. Then it would be the numbers on either side of the median. You don't include the median. Okay. So here we go. I have these numbers here, and I'm trying to find a median of these numbers. Now, how many numbers do I have here?
4.
I have 4 numbers. Is everybody okay with that? So how do you find the median of these 4 numbers? Well, all right, because yeah, we have 20 plus 23, okay, which gives us 43. 43 divided by 2 divides out. We get 2, 4, 0, 3, 1. Gives us 2. Yep.
Yeah, that's right. Okay.
Yep, it's 21.5.
Did you add the top and the bottom?
Nope, 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 nope. All right, so is everybody okay with my lower quartile?
Yes.
Okay, now the interquartile range is the range from your upper quartile to the lower quartile. So what was my upper quartile in this case? My UQ. What was it?
32.
It was 32. And what we do is we take our upper quartile and we subtract our lower quartile. And what was our lower quartile in this case?
21.5.
So I'm subtracting 21.5, and that will be my interquartile range. Can I have you guys do 32 minus 21.5?
10.5.
10.5, is that agreed upon?
Yes.
Yeah. Are we good? That's my interquartile range. Hi. So let's go ahead and we want to find a median. So the median tells us that we want to find the middle number, right? So have I put them in order?
Yep.
Yes, I have. Yes, ma'am.
61.
61. You think it's 61? Let me double check. Here's a low, here's a high, here's a low, here's a high, here's a low, here's a high, and here is my median. Great. Now, so I found a median, and that's 61. Extremes. How can I find my low extreme? Sir?
Well, you look at the first number.
The lowest number,
Yeah.
in this case, is
48.
48.
Or 48, sorry.
That's right. And then my upper extreme, yes ma'am,
86.
is 86. Because I wrote them in order. Everybody okay with that? Okay, now the range. How would I find the range? Yes ma'am.
You subtract the lower extreme from the upper extreme.
So I'm doing 86 minus 48, which would give us, entire class?
38.
Okay, we're good for that. So we're doing 38. Yeah? Now to find quartiles. How do we find quartiles? I know you know. I know you know. You're like on fire on this. Yeah?
Do you add 52 and 59 and then divide them?
Not exactly, not exactly. So it's, what we want to do is kind of like this guy is parting the Red Sea for me. Okay? He's like, break it apart. And what he does is he breaks my set into the lower section and the upper section. Okay, are we okay with that? All right,
Yes.
so, yes.
Me?
Yes.
So since there's only 3 numbers, the median of that is 52, and that's the lower quartile.
Right, so to find the lower quartile, I look at this set, this lower set, and I look for the median of these 3 numbers. The median of these 3 numbers is 52. It's the middle of them because I have my low, my high, and then I've got my middle. So 52 is my lower quartile. Is everybody okay with that? And then my upper quartile, I look over here. Okay? Yes?
Oh, it's 64 because it's the middle.
That's right, because I have this guy here, I've got this guy here, and this is my middle, so I've got 64. Now, how do I find interquartile range? How do I find interquartile? Yes?
64 minus 52.
I do 64 minus 52, and everybody says 12. Is that okay? So, awesome. Now I want to find a median. So I've got a high, got a low, got a high, got a low, got a high, got a low, got a high, got a low. Oh, I got 2 numbers here for median. Any guess as to what my median might be? Yes, ma'am.
You add them and then you divide them by 2.
Okay, and what would I get if I had 15 and 16? Okay, I get 31 divided by 2 is?
15.5.
Okay, I got 15.5. Is everybody okay with that?
Yeah.
All right, so 15.5 is my median. Now, do you remember I talked about breaking these apart from the median, kind of split it? So where do I split it? Where is that split happening?
Between 15 and 16.
So between the 15 and 16, this is where the split's happening. Is everybody okay with that?
Yeah.
All right. But real quick, I need some information over here. Do I have an extreme? Do I have a lower and upper extreme?
Yes.
Okay, what's my low?
5.
Thank you. And what's my upper? What's my upper extreme?
48.
48. Are we good for a range? What would I get for a range? Yeah?
43.
Is everybody okay with that? 43? How do we get 43? I don't even understand. Yes?
You subtract the lower extreme from the upper extreme.
Okay. Is everybody good for that?
Yes.
Cool. Next we get to quartiles. Yes, sir.
You get the middle of each side, so the lower quartile will be 9.
Because I can go low, high, low, high. Oh, there's my lower quartile, 9. Is that okay?
Yes.
Was that too fast?
No.
Okay.
Upper quartile is 18.
Because we go 16, 48, 17, 22. Oh, 18. It's my upper. So I've got 9 and 18. Is this okay?
Yeah.
For real? Are you really good on this?
Yes. Oh wait, never mind.
Because we break it apart here, since we split here. That's why 18 is going to be my upper. And then what do we do from there? Why don't you tell a neighbor? Talk to each other.
You subtract the lower from the upper. Yeah.
Okay, tell a different person now. Tell a different person now.
Okay, you subtract the lower.
Okay, tell a different person now.
You subtract. You subtract one from the other.
Told anybody? Boom! Right there. So, I heard 18 minus 9 for interquartile range. 18 minus 9, which gives us?
9.
In German, you're telling me no. And right on.